Hello, everyone. As a part of quantitative aptitude, the next topic what we are going to see is time and work. First question, A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is what? So here there are options given. We need to choose the correct option. Now, A can do a work in 15 days, which means we can say 1 day work of A is equal to 1 by 15. Similarly, 1 day work of B is 1 by 20. If they work on it together for 4 days, then what will happen? So 4 times 4 days, that is 4 times, both put together means 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 equal to 4 times. LCM of these two is 60. So here we have 4, here we have 3. So 7 into 4, we get to 28 by 60. 4 sevens are 28. 4 15s are 60, which means the fraction of work left. Hence, fraction of work left will be the whole work, which is considered to be 1 minus this fraction, work completed in 4 days. So that will give us 8 by 15. So the right option is option D. Let us move on to the next question. A is thrice as good as workman B. I'm sorry, here it is written as 2B. Workman B, and therefore is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in how many days, dash days. So here there are options. We need to select the right option. So we may notice that A is thrice as good as workman B. Means the time taken by A and time taken by B, if we consider it as a ratio, it will be 1:3. So we can say in solution, the ratio of time taken by A and B is 1:3. Means for a time difference, sorry, for a time difference of this 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2 days, A takes 1 day and B takes 3 days. That is what is given. Now, let us consider this. That is, we will say time difference, if it is 2 days, then B takes 3 days. Now, here it says, and therefore is able to finish the job in 60 days less than B. Means, if the time difference is 60 days, how much time B will take, we'll consider it as X, which means that 2 by 60 is equal to 3 by X, or we can say X is equal to 60 into 3 by 2. We get 90 days. Means for the time difference 60 days, B will take 90 days, which means that A is going to take 60 days lesser. That means A takes 30 days to complete. So that means A's 1 day work will be 1 by 30 and B's 1 day work equal to 1 by 90. So that means A plus B's together 1 day work will be 1 by 30 plus 1 by 90. LCM is 90. So here we will have 3, here we will have 1. So we get 4 by 90. 4 by 90, we can simplify it as 2 by 45. Hence, we can say together A and B can complete the work in 45 by 2, reciprocal of this 45 by 2, which is 22.5 days or 22.5 days. So that will be the solution for this, which means our option is B. Right. Let us move on to the next. Question 3. If 6 men and 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 26 men and 48 boys can do the same in 2 days, then the time taken by 15 men and 20 boys in doing the same type of work will be how many days? That is what we have to find. So first of all, we'll assume let the number of days required for one man equal to X. Let the number of days required for one child or one boy equal to Y. That means we can say 1 day work, 1 day work by one man is equal to 1 by X, and similarly 1 day work by one boy is equal to 1 by Y. Now what is given? Given 6 men. That means 6 by X. 6 into 1 day work plus 8 boys. 8 into 1 day work of boy. They can finish it in, their 1 day work together will be 1 by 10 because 10 days it is given. Let me consider this as equation 1. Then next one, they say 26 men and 48 boys, which means 26 by X plus 48 by Y is equal to how many days? 2 days. So it is 1 by 2. 1 day work together will be 1 by 2. Now, we will multiply this with 6 to get 48, which means I will multiply this entire equation, first equation by 6. If we do that, we get 36 by X plus 48 by Y equal to 6 by 10, which is our third equation. Now, let us subtract third equation minus second equation. We will get 36x minus 26x, 36 by x minus 26 by x, we get 10 by x. 48 by y, 48 by y gets cancelled. 6 by 10 minus 1 by 2. That means 10 by x is, here LCM is 10. So 6 minus 5, we get 1 by 2. Which means our X will be 100 days. Now, consider the first equation. 6 by 100 plus 8 by y equal to 1 by 10. That means 8 by y is 1 by 10 minus 6 by 100. So, which means 8 by y is equal to, now LCM for this right hand side is 100. So here we will put 10 minus 6, we get a 4 by 100, which means our y equal to 8 into 100 by 4, we get 200 days. Means, let us calculate now. They are asking us to find 15 men and 20 boys. So we will find out what is the 1 day work for 15 men and 20 boys. So 1 day work of 15 men and 20 boys will be 15 by x plus 20 by y. Now substituting the values of x and y, we get 15 by 100 plus 20 by 200. We'll consider common denominator as 200. So here it will get multiplied with the 2. So that means 30 plus 20. We get 50 by 200, which is 1 by 4. Therefore, 15 men and 20 boys can complete the work, in reciprocal of this, that is 4 days. That is the solution for this 4 days. In the sense, our option is option A. That is the solution for this question.